है फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम लोग निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी का पोस्ट मार्केट एनालिसिस देखेंगे एंड कल कौन सा लेवल्स को हम देखेंगे वो भी देखेंगे। ठीक है। अभी पहले हम निफ्टी की बात करते हैं। लेट्स सी निफ्टी। या प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट टुमारो देर इज like tomorrow the weekly expiry in nifty and bank nifty is going to be is there. So nifty today how it react, let's see. निफ्टी आज गैप डाउन होके खुला, कल इधर क्लोज हुआ था। ओके, इधर क्लोज हुआ था, आज गैप डाउन होके खुला एंड मोस्टली यहाँ पे जो हमर जैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिया, तो वो हमर के अबव वी कैन बाय विथ ए स्टॉप लॉस। दिस रियली एक्टेड। ओके, सो was able to like give a buy call here. Okay, because gap down हुआ 18,000 around 50 to like it was upon 100 पॉइंट्स गैप डाउन हुआ था ये। तो ये भी उसको कवर किया। देन दिस जहां से कल बंद हुआ था ये एक रेजिस्टेंस जैसा हुआ, जब वो रिटर्न में आया। तो अभी क्या होगा, तो अभी नीड टू चेक, राइट। टुडे लो अगेन विल एक्ट एज ए tomorrow one are going to be like expiry is very, it is going to be like movement होगा, because we have gone through some sideways in last 1 week. Mostly the range is of only 200 to 300 points. Okay, so कल अगर देखें, अगर निफ्टी कुछ वाइल्ड मूवमेंट ना दे तो हमें ये देखना मिलेगा 17,900। अगर अप साइड में ये रहेगा आपका एक इम्पोर्टेंट लेवल। सो फॉर टुमारो वी नीड टू चेक आउट फॉर दिस टू लेवल्स, 1800, 18,100 and 17,900. These things we need to be check out, right? So let's see how it will react today, tomorrow. Okay, so let's give it, have a look on the hourly chart of Nifty. Okay, so this is the 20 EMA. Okay, the moving average 20 EMA के अभी यह सपोर्ट लिया, नीचे गया था गैप डाउन होके, फिर आके ऊपर इसमें सपोर्ट ले रहा है। इट विल एक्ट एज ए इम्पोर्टेंट, लाइक 18,000 is going to be the support, so these levels can be tested tomorrow. Okay, so now let's go to bank nifty. Bank Nifty also today it was gap down, right? So gap down and mostly it was like a formed 1885 is the low, and it was like after gap down again tomorrow. Today's range is very important for Bank Nifty, so we can trade accordingly. See, yesterday I was talking like that. See, कल कल हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि बैंक निफ्टी का अगर कल का लो ये टूट जाता है, कल का जो लो, देन इट इज गोइंग टू बी, इट इज वेरी वेरी हार्ड टू रीगेन दैट लेवल, राइट। 230 was 39, 230 was broken yesterday. Okay, now we gap down and then after this we again fell down up to 13,850. So in this, suppose this structure, okay, I'm saying you, suppose this again gap down, big 915 to 920, wait for that, this is a small inverted flag like structure, again 995 you can sell for another 100 points this point. Okay, because of this inverted flag. Okay, so again this is I guess some accumulation here in bank nifty. This level will act as a major support tomorrow, this level. Okay, and the resistance will be this level. So this is a good 500 range. We need to check out if due to the weekly expiry, if it is going to break it or it is going to expire in between these two lines. So it was fell down, make a low, come back, then accumulation, then goes back, then this is way it is working. So the next resistance for Bank Nifty sometime this is very hard zone 220, 230, C 230. Here also it come back, fell down again 230. We need to watch out. This is this level again 933 was tested today. This low and it was recovered, right? So this area, these 500 points, Bank Nifty should expire in between these 500 points. Any side breaks the levels, then we can expect another 3 to 400 movement possible because as of weekly expiry. Okay, so the next is the stock Tata Steel. Tata Steel do have that week quarterly result still yet to come. I guess it is due tomorrow or 12th. Need to check. Okay. See, Tata Steel was as we was talking like 1360 and 1300. Yesterday we talked right. 30 today it closed at near about 1300, just above below 1300. So still, if we see this line is, I say, it was not a clean close. It has not broken this. Okay, so that we need to watch out again. But in intraday, what was there in Tata Steel? It was a good, like it gap down and see, gap down, then broken this low, two or three candle low. You go short with this stop loss. Then you got this the up to this 1290, 90 to come. Okay. Tomorrow earning for Tata Motors. Tata Steel tomorrow earning. Sorry. So that this was the like, this is again a phase of consolidation. Let me close that. Tata Steel. You need to check out for this. Sell below 1219 and buy above 1310. Okay. Again, it is going to be in my our watch list. Okay. So let's give that Titan the last stock for today. See, Titan is very much range bound. Okay, 15 minutes chart. I'm looking for opportunity here to buy Titan intraday. If it breaks this line, go for a long. If breaks this one below this, keep your stop loss. Okay, so the expected is that after this 2500, if you suppose buy, then this one going to be your first target. 25 to 20 40 is going to be your second target. You buy once it closes about this in 15 minutes, and this is going to be your first target. This is going to be your second target. Titan. Okay, thank you. So please subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends and family members so that we can share some more videos in coming days. Thank you.